Wachovia is a financial services company headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. We have offices in 49 of the 50 states. We are a Fortune 100 company with over $500 billion in assets, servicing about 15 million households in the United States.
We're a bank, we grow through acquisitions. Having a scalable network is crucial to our success. In years past, where we just sort of bolted networks on, we'd acquire a company and bolt them on. That led to real issues with supportability and rolling feature functionality out.
It's very important to us that our network deliver quality service consistently to our customers. As a wide-ranging financial services company, we obviously have a wide mix of transactions. So in our environment, you're going to find ATM transactions, you'll see branch teller transactions, brokerage, mortgage transactions. We need to be able to keep up with the new services that we're embedding into the network and the new services our customers need, and to be able to do that in a reliable way and a cost-effective way.
We use Cisco, different platforms, or different areas of the network rather, everything from the access to the core. The 7200 platform we use really like sort of a jack of all trades for us. It fits into so many parts of our network.
The 7200 has been a great success story in terms of being able to evolve the platform. We started with it in one role, and over time we've added different services and capabilities. That's been a key strength of Cisco, is to be able to add dimensions to a product, to add features and depth, and do that fairly reliably, to be able to scale that with a minimal investment in hardware.
The MPEG2 will allow us to even further scale and even further look at delivering services like voice over IP, look at delivering services like advanced QoS, so that we can ensure not only the quality but also the services that we're going to deliver.
We're finding that the convergence of voice and data is clearly driving the infrastructure harder than a traditional IP environment did. Our Cisco infrastructure has been scaling well with that. That's where the NPEG2 is particularly important to us.
As we continue to increase and deliver more services to the branch and to our customers, like IP telephony, like video potentially in the future, we have a need to provide greater bandwidth at those sites, and then therefore greater bandwidth at our head-in, which we use today, the 7200. The NPEG2 allows us to even further and scale more than what we can today.
We've greatly benefited from the evolution approach that Cisco has taken to a lot of their platforms, that we can buy a platform day one with a certain set of features and over time add capabilities to that. Our ability to take a platform and add services onto it without having to throw out the platform has been real important. The more we can take a current platform and expand its capabilities without having to retrain people, the more we're able to move forward quickly. It's more efficient for us.
Anytime we're not having to go through a testing cycle, anytime we're not having to go through and train people and actually go out and buying new equipment or buying a new platform, if we can do an in-place upgrade either from software or hardware in the instance of the MPEG2, it's a lot less expensive than it is to go and do a forklift where you're taking out old gear, putting in new gear.
The G2 is coming at a time when our older platforms are just hitting their peak, so it's a great positioning time to go to the next generation, be able to scale our CPU as we add all these services into the network. It's very important to us when a product is put into the field that it's successful from the first day, that we're able to carry transactions and scale as far as we need to. So with the NPEG2, we expect to be deploying over 100 over the next 6 months as we upfit our aggregation level of the network. The G2 is giving us a cost-effective way to put in features like compressed real-time protocol to be able to scale that up, to be able to save on bandwidth costs while delivering the service we need to. It's been very important to us to be able to maintain a consistent network, consistent investment in technology while adding new services, and we've been able to do that with this platform. Looking into the future, we clearly have plans to go international with all of our products and services over time. We're looking at more seamless messaging, moving beyond voice and into video, and clearly the network is going to support more services natively inside the network, security services, application services.
Cisco has provided us with a great resource and a great advantage from the perspective of being able to work with them to understand where they're going and also explore with them where we need to go.